Hello, Division 4. All right, so as you can see, we're going to pick up some speed now, and we're going to streamline what we've been learning. Now, we basically are going to really start to utilize the skills we've been learning. And for today's math on page 170, you can see it's just basically practice of using what we've been learning. And so what you're going to be doing, instead, you don't have to do the full different, like where you got the tens and the ones and so forth. What you can just basically do now is basically we're looking at the single question of 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, which gives you a 6. And then your second question would be 3 times 9. Now 3 times 9 I know is 27, right? And we know that the 7 is in the tens column, which would put that 2 into the hundreds column, right? And kind of what we did the other day, where you're going to be adding it to the hundreds. So you have your 3 times 1 now. That's your last question, 3 times 1. Sorry. But you're going to add 2. So 3 times 1 is 3, and you add 2, and it gives you 5. And then that's where we are. So let's try this one over here. Now we got our first question is 3 times 6. So that would give us 18. Right, 18. And we know the 8 goes into the ones, and that 1 is in the tens column, so we put it on the tens. Now my next question, of course, is 3 times 0. And of course, 3 times 0 gives you 0, but then you're going to add that 110 right there. And then your last question, of course, is 5 times 3, which of course is 15, and there's nothing more to go over. Okay, let's do one more just to make sure that we are under all the 9s. We love the 9s. Okay, so we got 9 times 7. We know that is 63. We know the 3 is in the 1s column and the 6 is in the 10. So that means the 3 goes there and the 6 goes up on top because we're going to be adding it, right? Remember, sometimes you might want to add the plus sign. And then my next question, of course, is 9 times 0, which we know is 0 because anything times 0 is 0, but then you're adding 6 to it. Okay, and then our last question, of course, is what is 3 times 9? And we know that it's 27. And there's nothing to carry or anything, so or borrow, and it's 27. Okay, and all I have to do is just work down to the letter T. Go down to the first prize. All right, until next time.